Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using SmartyAds. SmartyAds is a comprehensive advertising platform located at SmartyAds.com. It provides a range of solutions for both advertisers and publishers. Whether you're looking to buy or sell ad inventory, SmartyAds offers a platform to connect and manage your campaigns efficiently. They strive to offer a seamless and transparent advertising experience, catering to a variety of ad formats and channels. Their platform includes features designed to optimize campaign performance, including detailed analytics and reporting tools. For publishers, SmartyAds provides the opportunity to monetize their website or app traffic by connecting with advertisers seeking their specific audience. Conversely, advertisers can leverage SmartyAds to reach their target demographic through a wide range of publisher partners. This dynamic platform boasts advanced targeting capabilities, enabling advertisers to fine-tune their campaigns for maximum impact and ROI. SmartyAds supports various ad formats, including display, video, native, and in-app advertising, providing flexibility and choice for both publishers and advertisers. Their platform also incorporates anti-fraud measures to ensure a secure and reliable advertising environment. They provide dedicated support and resources to assist users in navigating the platform and achieving their advertising goals. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, SmartyAds offers tools and features to simplify the advertising process. Overall, SmartyAds positions itself as a one-stop solution for all your advertising needs, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and services to help you succeed in the competitive world of digital advertising. So, if you're looking for a robust and feature-rich advertising platform, be sure to check out SmartyAds at SmartyAds.com. Remember, all the relevant links are in the description. Thanks for watching.